Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the new 2024 Bennington Q Series. This is a Q fastback, so meaning it's got the 2 forward lounge, 2 rear lounges, and then the captain cook-out chair. Exterior color, we did the blackout package with the new anthracite and a lower silver accent. Absolute beautiful boat. Of course, this is a Pontoon powered with a Mercury 300 on it. Got the nice flush docking lights up front. Absolute beautiful boat. We did the bimini top on this one instead of the tower, just because a lot of people are liking the slope front boats, but with the bimini top instead of an actual tower. Walk around here, see the exterior color there. It's really good. This one does have the 300 Mercury on it. Stainless steel prop, of course, the lily pad ladder, underwater lights, extended aft deck, so there's tons of room on the back deck here. We'll walk up here. You also have a transom remote and then rear facing speakers on both port and starboard. Removable ski pylon right here. You can take that out, stow it away. Fold down armrest, of course. We did the silver interior with the carbon accent, diamond stitched sport upholstery, so it looks really good. Walk on up. We did the co-captain's chair with the ottoman cooler, so that is a cooler. Move it around, side entry. 12-inch Simrad, RGB lighting. You won't find a nicer built luxury Pontoon on the market. We did the bow gate seat, so you can move that center seat right up there to the back or to the bow. Flip down armrest. Phone storage and phone wireless charger there. You also got a wireless charger up here at the helm. That's it. We got this one in stock here in Greenville. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.